Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a swim instructor website using Wix. The first thing you want to do is go onto wix.com, and from there you'll be able to create an account for completely free. After you have created your account, you're going to tap on Build with Wix Editor. Once you have selected Build with Wix Editor, what I want you to do next is tap on Set up without chat. After doing that, you'll be redirected to this page and you can simply type in swim instructor. So let's do that real quick. So you can see swimming instructor. After selecting it, you'll tap on continue. Then from here, you can enter in what is your business name. So let's say, for example, I'll just call it Jason, and you're going to tap on continue. After tapping on continue, what are your goals for this site? And you can select get booked, or you can select either one of these options. Once you're finished, you'll tap on continue once more. What else do you need to manage your business? Do you need host virtual sessions? Any one of these options? If not, you can say, for example, create a link in bio, and you'll tap on finish. After tapping on finish, you'll just give it a few seconds while they're creating your personalized setup. Once your setup is up and running, you'll be redirected to this page. Once on this page, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner, and from there you're going to tap right where you see catalog, and you're going to tap on booking services. After selecting booking services, from here you can add your services that you would like to offer. So you can tap on start from scratch, or for example, you can see one right here, swimming lessons. We could tap on that, and you could edit the service name. You can also edit the cover image. Then scrolling down, you could edit the duration and buffer time, and you can set the price that you would like to charge. After doing that, you can scroll down, and let's say, for example, you have staff members. You could tap here to create new staff member, and you could assign different services to different staff members. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner to save the changes. After you have saved the changes, all you'll need to do now, so let's say I were to save it. After you have saved the changes, you can continue adding more services by tapping on add a new service in the top right hand corner. Once you are finished, it is now time to set up the payment method, and to do this you're going to tap on getting paid. After selecting getting paid, you're going to tap on connect payment method, and depending on the country you're located in, you'll see different options. For example, in Jamaica, I'll be able to offer TiloPay and PayPal, but if I were to change my location, so let's say I were to change my location to Canada, you'll realize that I'll now be able to offer a whole new set of payment options. So you can see right here, so it varies depending on the country you're located in. After connecting the different payment options, you'll tap on set up in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on design site. After selecting design site, you're going to tap on pick a template. After selecting pick a template, you can choose any one of these templates. So there are numerous options that you can select from. Now let's say, for example, I were to select this one. So I'll tap on edit. After selecting edit, you'll just give it a few seconds while your website is being composed in the background by the Wix editor. Once it is up and running, I'll be showing you what to do next. Next, you'll close the pop-up box. Then you're going to tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. After doing that, it is now time to start editing your website. So the first thing we could do is edit the header section. You can hover over it and tap on quick edit. Then you'll go over to the right hand column, and from here you could edit it. For example, I could tap on paragraph, and I could change it from wetland pool, and I could type in swimming instructor. So let me do that real quick, just like that. And you can also change the background color if you want. Once you're finished, you'll tap on the X in the top right hand corner, and you can continue editing by tapping on any section that you would like to change and selecting quick edit. And just like that, you'll be able to change the background image if you want, and you can also edit the text. And scrolling down, the concept remains the same. Tap on the section you'd like to change, Then from the right hand column, you can edit it, just like that. With Wix, it is beginner friendly and easy to use. And if it is a case that you would like to add text or image or anything to your website, you can go over to the top left hand corner and tap on Add Elements. From here, you can see all of the different elements that you can quickly drag and place on your website. So if it is an image, you can simply upload the image and then drag and place it wherever you want. And the concept is the same with text. To view all the pages that are currently on your website, you're going to tap on the third icon from the top left hand corner, which is Pages and Menu. From here, you can see the different pages, as you can see right there. So you can arrange each page, or if you would like to delete a particular page, you can do that. So let's say, for example, I would like to delete the accessibility page. I'll simply tap on the three dots, then you'll tap on delete. And that's how you'll be able to remove a page. If you would like to add a page, you'll tap on add page. Then you can see the different pages that you can add: about page, services page, projects page, contact page, or simple blank page. You could tap on that. So it's just like that. Once you're finished, you'll tap on preview in the top right hand corner. And if it is to your liking, you can tap on publish and your website will now be live. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button